Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Rod Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. By now, you are used to hearing COVID updates from me, and these will continue as we still are in the middle of this pandemic. But now that we have begun responding to monkeypox here in Durham, these videos will sometimes bring you monkeypox updates as well. As a result, the updates may be a little bit longer than usual, but we hope that they will provide valuable information. In today's video, I'll go over reminders for staying safe during the spread of BA5, information about how to pick up free COVID-19 home tests, and what you should know about monkeypox here in Durham. First, I want to remind you again that this pandemic is not over. The BA5 variant is currently the most common variant in Durham, and it spreads more easily than previous variants. The good news is that vaccines continue to provide protection against serious illness or hospitalization from this variant, if you are up to date on all your vaccinations. Make sure that you and your children get all doses you're eligible for, including boosters. Every dose provides additional protection, and we offer all available doses of Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson for free here in our building for all people ages 6 months and older. The recently approved Novavax vaccine is not yet available, but we are awaiting instructions from the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services on when we will be able to order and begin administering these vaccines. Vaccines are critical, but it's important not to stop at vaccination when it comes to protecting yourself and others from COVID-19. Remember that it's also a good idea to wear a mask in some settings. Stay home if you are not feeling well, and get tested when needed. Now it's even easier for you and your family to get COVID-19 tests when you need them. We are giving away free COVID tests Monday through Fridays here at our building located at 414 East Main Street. Anyone age 18 or older can pick up tests free of charge, no insurance or ID needed, and you don't have to be a Durham resident. The tests are available at the screening window at the front corner of our building, so you don't have to come inside. Pickup hours are Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and Tuesdays and Thursdays, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you can't make it to our building, you can find other community access points to pick up free tests at covid19ncdhhs.gov/pickup tests. Just remember to carefully follow all instructions on the package for completing the test. Next, I want to switch gears to tell you what you should know about monkeypox. As you may know, we have seen our first monkeypox case here in Durham. Currently, around 40 cases have been confirmed in North Carolina and nearly 5,000 in the United States. The first thing I want you to also know is that monkeypox can affect anyone, regardless of gender identity, age, or sexual orientation. Right now, the majority of cases that have been identified have been in LGBTQ men or transgender individuals, but this does not mean others can't or haven't become infected or pass it on to others. It is not okay to stigmatize any group of people due to monkeypox or any other illness. This is a virus that can affect anyone. If you have a new and unexplained rash or other monkeypox symptoms like fever, headache, or respiratory symptoms, contact your doctor to determine if and how to be tested. If you don't have a doctor, contact the nearest urgent care location. Testing is available at all Duke urgent care locations and many primary care providers' offices throughout Durham. You test positive, we will work with you for contact tracing just like we have for COVID cases. If you don't have symptoms but have been exposed or are in a high-risk group, you may be eligible for vaccination. Anyone, regardless of gender identity or sexual orientation, is eligible if they have been exposed to monkeypox, as long as they do not have symptoms yet. Additionally, transgender individuals or men who have sex with men are eligible for vaccination if within the last 90 days they have had multiple or anonymous sexual partners, have been diagnosed with a sexually transmitted infection, or are receiving PrEP for HIV. If you meet any of these criteria and would like to be vaccinated, call us at 919-560-9217 to request vaccination by appointment only. These groups have been prioritized for vaccination by state guidelines as supply is low right now, but we will share updates when additional groups become eligible in the future. We know that this is a lot of information, and this likely does not answer every question you may have. So please know that if you need more information, you can call our hotline or visit our website at decodepublichealth.org/monkeypox. You can also continue to call this number and visit our website for information on COVID-19 as well. Monkeypox is new to Durham, but our response is not. For both monkeypox and COVID, let's all continue to stay tuned to accurate sources of information, follow recommended safety measures, and know when to get tested and vaccinated. We can do this, Durham.